My wife and I escaped winter for a quiet week in Thailand, exploring the province of Petchaburi, a region full of charm, history and surprises. We discovered Hua Hin, a quaint seaside town with a nostalgic train station that feels like stepping back in time. We had lunch by the water in one of the many restaurants on stilts, fresh seafood, soft breeze, the sound of waves. We spent the rest of the afternoon by the sea. A walk on the beach, simple and peaceful, just the way we like it. At night, Hua Hin comes alive. The night market is vibrant, colorful and buzzing with energy. We grabbed some pad thai, honestly one of the best we've had. We headed inland to Kaeng Krachan National Park, Thailand's largest. We walked along a forest trail surrounded by dense, emerald green foliage. It was quiet, except for the rustle of trees and the occasional bird call. Then came the lake, calm, still, vast, like a mirror stretching in every direction. We hopped on a motorboat and took off, slicing through the water, the wind in our hair, water splashing all around us. After a while, we reached the Monkey Islands and slowed down. A few monkeys appeared right away. Bold, quick and clearly used to visitors, we offered some food and they took it without hesitation. Then, at full speed again, our boat raced us back to the shore. We found Khao cave, a sanctuary hidden inside a limestone hill. The entrance led into a vast chamber where shafts of sunlight poured through openings in the ceiling, lighting up the space like a natural cathedral. Inside, dozens of Buddha statues, some small and tucked into alcoves, others towering and gilded in gold, all serene. At the heart of it all lay a massive, reclining Buddha, calm and graceful, as if in eternal rest. The golden surfaces glowed in the light, and soft shadows flickered on the walls. The air was cool and still. It felt timeless, peaceful, and quietly powerful. It was otherworldly, quiet, sacred, and strangely moving. The Klong railway market is something unique. A train actually runs through the middle of the market. The vendors calmly fold up their stalls, let the train pass, then go right back to selling fresh produce like nothing happened. We zipped along the Klong River in a powerful motorboat, cutting through the water with ease. On either side, we passed vibrant green landscapes, the occasional temple standing proudly along the banks. Old fishing boats rested by the shore, their weathered wood a testament to the river's importance to the local way of life. It was a lively, scenic ride, offering a true sense of the river's rhythm. In Amphawa, the floating market was in full swing, a unique blend of boats and bustling riverside stalls. A few boats glided by, offering snacks and souvenirs, while most of the activity took place along the water's edge. We strolled past rows of vibrant market stands filled with food, clothes, crafts, everything you'd expect, and a few delightful surprises. The atmosphere was lively, the smells irresistible, and the colors rich and vivid. It was busy, but in the best way, a lively, joyful kind of chaos. Back in Petchaburi, we spent the afternoon exploring the Phra Nakhon Khiri historical park, a majestic complex perched high on a hill overlooking the town. To reach the top, we boarded a small funicular that climbed slowly but steadily, offering a scenic view of the town below as it shrank beneath us. The visit itself was charming, with birdsong and the rustling of trees all around. At the summit, the historical park unfolded before us, a series of elegant royal palaces, pagodas and temples, all beautifully preserved and spread out across the hilltop. Each building had its own character, some adorned with intricate details, others simple and serene. The entire site felt open and breezy, with quiet paths winding through shady trees and past whitewashed walls glowing in the sunlight. The grounds felt calm and timeless, with gentle paths leading us through pockets of shade and sunlight. We wandered slowly, taking in the quiet beauty of the place. The way the light touched the old stucco walls, the soft rustle of leaves overhead, the scent of warm stone and earth. A few monkeys moved playfully along the railings and among the trees, adding a touch of mischief to the stillness. From various terraces we gazed out over Petchaburi and beyond, a wide, hazy view of rooftops, rivers and distant hills, all bathed in soft afternoon light. It felt like time had loosened its grip. Everything was slower, quieter, calmer. Up there, suspended between sky and city, the modern world felt far away. We ended our trip on the shores of Cha Am, celebrating New Year's Eve on the beach. Fireworks exploded in every direction, lighting up the sky. Along the seaside, crowds of people cheered as music filled the air, and above us, hundreds of lanterns floated gently upward, drifting silently into the night.